finding our campsite. We went to the link and reserved our place. I don't think that I need I don't think we need a map, so we'll figure it out.
Well, I'm definitely glad I looked at my map so I know where to go, because I definitely don't want to be intruding on somebody else's campsite. Ready to have a great day here at Lake Thunderbird State Park.
So, I'm here at Lake Thunderbird where I'm still looking. I probably should have looked at the map.
Oh, this map is making it look so easy.
Still looking for our place. Welcome to the campsite.
Let's play cornhole. You can't have a camp out without a good
Wiener!
You can't have a good camp out without
Hot dogs! Time for some s'mores. Well, it's been a great day.
You stole my line. It's been a great day at Lake Thunderbird.
It has. Go check them out sometime. This has been Out and About with Kelsey Kaiser.
And I'm Jeff Moody.